Students, okay, now we are in the uh, video lecture of our fifth unit, global issues, in our subject professional ethics in engineering. Global issues. Before going to the global issues, we have recollect our topics what we have discussed in the previous four units. First unit is human value, second unit is engineering ethics, third unit is engineering as social experimentation, fourth safety, responsibilities and rights. In this we have discussed what is engineering ethics, what is the importance of engineering and social experimentation, how we should be safety and analyze the risk and come to the final solution. So global issue is nothing but how we are analyze the issues taken care globally. For the best example for us is current corona. So depends upon global issues, we are taking the actions for the corona activities. So in this, after completing the syllabus or this topic, the student should be awareness of engineering ethics, human value to instill moral and social values, loyalty, and to appreciate the rights of others. Rights of others. The course outcome should be engineering meaning, senses of engineering, engineering as experimentation, code of ethics, and then assessment of safety and risk benefit analysis, and then global issues. So we have to consider the global issues, that is issues occurring in the field of engineering or in the any business activities globally. So in general life, we consider our current situation. In current situation, because of the corona, all the activities are in the sense of issues. So you can refer the textbooks given and then reference books along with the website or various website address for your reference. So you can collect the information based on your requirement for your clear understanding about the global issues. So in these global issues, we are going to see only the case studies. Case studies is important and get us the clear idea about the various problems occurred and how the problems can be solved. So that is very much important. Global issues. So in these topics, we are going to consider the various topics such as multinational corporations, environmental ethics, computer ethics, weapons development, engineers as managers, consulting engineers, engineers as expert witness and advisor, moral leadership, code of conduct, corporate social responsibility. So these are all the topic what we are going to discuss. So multinational corporation is nothing but the business activities run all over the world. So based upon the situation, we have to, the situation means environmental, we have to take the necessary actions. Globalization. Globalization means integration of countries through commerce, transfer of technology, exchange of information and culture. In a way, it includes acting together and interacting economic through trade, investment, loan, development schemes and capital across countries. So in a different sense, these flows include knowledge, science, technology, skills, culture, information and entertainment besides direct human resources, telework and outsourcing. So the interdependence has increased the complex tension and ruptures among the nations. So for the engineers, the issues such as multinational organization, computer internet functions, military development and environment. Ethics have assumed greater importance for their sustenance. What is called as multinational corporations. Organizations who are established a business in more than one country are called multinational corporations. The headquarters of the are in the home country and the business is extended in many lost countries. The Western organization doing business in the less economically developed or developing and overpopulated areas countries gain the advantages of inexpensive labor, availability of natural resources, conductive uh, conductive tax atmosphere, and virgin market of the product. At the same time, the developing of the countries are also benefited by the fresh job opportunities, jobs with higher remuneration and challenges, transfer of technology, mm, and several social benefit by the wealth of developed. But this happened invariably with the some social and cultural disturbances. So loss of job for home country and loss of exploitation of natural resources, political instability for the host countries or some of the threats of the uh, business. So international human rights to know what are the moral responsibility and obligations of the multinational corporation opening in the cost countries. Let us discuss with the framework of a right ethics. Common minimal rights are to be followed to smoothen and the transaction when the engineers or employees of MNC have to interact of official, social, economic and sometimes political levels. At the international level, the organizations are expected to adopt the minimum level of values such as mutual support, loyalty, reciprocity, the negative duty referring from the harmful actions such as violence and fraud and basic fairness of the practical justice.